Hey fam, it's your girl Shareen Nicole, and I just wanted to encourage someone today who's watching this video to let them know that with God, all things are possible. And without further ado, let's get into the video. I just want to give thanks to God for giving me yet another collaboration. This collaboration is brought to you by a scissor company that is on Amazon. I will leave the links below, only because I cannot say the name. But I'm just going to go ahead and get right in. So I'm just showing you all the details, the scissors, the comb. It comes with thinning shears. It also comes with a razor that has guards on it, which is perfect for beginners. And it also comes with this nice soft cape, which I absolutely love. So in the beginning, I hooked it into each other, which you can do if your clients have a larger neck. And you can also adjust that as well. So right here, I'm just showing you that this is pretty much the thing that you want to do to sort of kind of clean your scissors, but it also sharpens them. I'll explain later. But right here, I'm just doing a little test trial on the hair, and yes, it cuts. I'm very gentle when I go over the hair because you have a client in your chair, you don't want to take that razor and slide it right down and now their hair is like gone. So you always want to be gentle. Now there will be some parts in the video where I will slow it down, but right here, guys, I'm just creating a haircut straight from the dome, okay? I went in and I said, you know what, I'm just going to create something. I was looking online and trying to find a picture that I could recreate, and I was unsuccessful with trying to find that. So I said, I'm just going to go ahead and go in and start cutting. But these scissors that I'm using here are very, very good. I like them. Now, when they come out of the package, they might be a little stiff, but I just want to let you guys know out there that you can change the centerpiece. So it's the pivot screw that's in the center of the scissors. You can take a little knife or a fork or something, or you can even use your fingernail and actually stick your finger in that piece and turn it, and it'll loosen up the scissors. So I did want to let you guys know that. So if you buy these scissors and you're like, oh my God, they're so stiff, I already let you know what to do. So right here, I'm just trimming and showing you guys what is going on here. So it's pretty much like, this haircut is pretty much like a DA. So for those of you who don't know what a DA stands for, it stands for a duck's, yes, I said it. So that's pretty much what it stands for. But I mean, all in all, you know how their behinds feather in the back and come together, and it's so cute. That's exactly what I am creating here, with a little twist. So this is good for female clients who have a shorter haircut. They want to shorten it but still have some length on top and stuff like that, and still have room to maneuver the front of their hair. So you're going to see me cutting and just cutting and going in and checking. You guys always want to make sure that you go in and check. So this is very beginner friendly too. Like I said, I will slow it down some so you can see the actual cutting action of the scissors and how I'm holding the hair and stuff like that. But yes, I think this hairstyle is really cute. So here you go. I'm just slowing it down to show you how the hair would be positioned for the DA. So always make sure you re-wet that hair if it is starting to dry up, because you need to be able to see what you're doing, and the hair is best seen when wet. So me flipping the hair up is just showing that it was even, and I'm just going over it to make it to my liking, and you know, just fix a couple of things that I might have seen. So right here, I'm taking a big section because I want you guys to see what it is you're going to be doing with the razor. So I took a bigger section just so you guys can see. Now, normally you wouldn't take a big section like this for your client, not unless they have a thin hairline and they need some more hair to add to it. But for the sake of the video, I took a big section. So you just want to make sure you even that out. And then once you even that out, you're going to go ahead and grab your razor. In this case, we're using the razor that came with the kit. It has the guard on it. And so you just want to slide that hair down. I mean, slide the razor down the hair. And it's going to take off what it needs to take off. And it leaves it wispy. So that's what I like about razoring hair. Now, what I will say is I use the thinning shears on the opposite side, and you're going to see that in a moment. So you do the same thing on this side, cut the hair to this length, and the thinning shears actually did a really good job as well. So it's totally your preference. Like I said in the last video, I didn't have my thinning shears, so I want to say thank you to this hair company on Amazon for, you know, just being supportive and sending me this out to test. And now you guys can see what I was talking about here. That's the razor side, and this is the thinning side. So all in all, it still looks the same. One is a little bit more wispy, and the other one is just a little bit more detailed, I guess you would say. So right here, when you're cutting the top of the hair, I'm just showing you that you want to grab it like that, how I showed you, and get in there and yank that hair. You're not hurting the client because you're holding their hair at the base, and you're taking the razor portion and you're pulling the hair that's in between your fingers so that the client isn't like, oh my God, you're ripping my hair out. But that was what was going on there. So I'm just going to sit back and relax and let you guys enjoy the rest of this video. You're going to see the point cutting from my last hair cutting video, and that's what's going on here. But I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of this video, and I will chime in when I need to. I'm back. So just in case you guys were wondering why I'm pulling the hair and pulling the hair out and looking at the hair, that's actually how you're checking the haircut. You want to pull the hair out on both sides to make sure that it's even and the hair is laying right. So that's the only thing that I'm doing there. Right here, I'm using the razor again. Now keep in mind, guys, I'm behind the mannequin. So I'm trying to get the best angles for you guys, and I'm trying to do my best with what I'm working with here, you know, just trying to show you guys the best angles. So right here, you want to make sure you get that hairline nice and even. So this is real time. I'm just showing you guys what you need to do in order to get that hairline even. You take your comb, you run it down the hair, and you snip. And if you miss, you snip again. Voila. So just combing the hair and making sure it's laying the way you want it to lay. And that's pretty much it. Here's the other side. You're making sure it's laying the way you want it to lay. And right here, I'm just going to go in and fix anything that I needed to fix. So this is the final look, and we're going to go ahead and get started blow drying. So what I will say about this client, which her name is Deborah, she was pretty good for the most part, you know. She stood still, she held her head still, and that was a plus. So you will see like some red streaks and stuff like that in her hair. That's because a long time ago, I had this mannequin in school, and that's exactly what I was using to put colors and, you know, test things and you know, just experiment. And another thing, guys, just remember when you're doing haircuts, they should be versatile. So just because I styled it this way doesn't mean this is the way that it has to stay. So even though I'm pulling this hair forward and just showing you, what I'm pretty much doing is just showing you how it looks after it's blow dried with the razor on one side and the thinning shears on another. But do keep in mind that this hairstyle can go back, it can go all forward. For the sake of the video, once again, I did not show you guys the versatility. You're gonna see me go in with some hairspray and just style it the way it is. So I just want you guys to keep watching and enjoy. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know how I did. Like I said, I just styled it for the sake of showing you guys the front portion, but the back is poppin'. And yes, stay tuned because I have some pictures of her. And remember guys, just go in. Creativity is all up to you. Bye.